Hi, this is Patrice Rice again, wanting to give you some more information on Mosquito Sheriff. So we are the first and only 100% all green, natural, toxic free alternative to pest control. And we'll say again that we don't just do mosquitoes. It's fleas, ticks, flies, chiggers, no-see-ums, gnats. Fleas are a big thing with dogs. That's why people have to have their dog on heartworm medicine. Didn't have to do that as much in the past, but now, fleas give your dogs heartworm. Ticks, my gosh, I have friends who had to check their heads of the children every time they came in from outside. And so ticks are a really big problem. Flies, gnats, all of these things really affect the enjoyment of your outside. And flies are nasty. They get on your food, they lay eggs, nasty. So all of these things are things that we take care of. Again, we're made in the USA, which I'm very proud of. But not only do we kill all of these things that bother everybody and cause, diseases. I mean, thinking ticks, Lyme's disease. My gosh, Lyme's disease is nasty. It can be on people and or dogs, cats, anything. But we do not kill bees and butterflies. I'm a big animal lover, but I'm a big environment lover too. There's no poison that will be on your vegetable gardens, flowers, or around pets. Dogs eat grass that could have been sprayed with a toxic chemical. So our product is based on essential oils, and it's our proprietary product with all natural insecticides that are specifically formulated to kill insects on contact and repels with a residual effect of 30 days. So it's a very sweet, nice cedar smell. It doesn't smell nasty like chemicals. And it's a formula of essential oils that will kill these pests. So it kills in two ways. One, when we spray, it blocks the neurotransmitter pathways of susceptible insects, rendering them immobile. So now they can't move. Then it interferes with their aspiratory system, their respiratory system. So then they can't breathe. And that's how we kill them. That's how the product works. So when our essential oil product lands on one of these insects, they can't move. And then they can't breathe. And that's how our product works. We've been endorsed by the Maryland Beekeepers Association. Their motto is, if bees didn't exist, humans wouldn't either. Out of the 100 crop species that provide us with 90% of our food, 35% of those are pollinated with bees, birds, and bats, actually, and butterflies. Bees are the primary initiators of reproduction among these plants. So they go from plant to plant, they gather pollen, they go to another plant, the pollen comes off of them, rubs off of them onto that plant, then they go to another one, and that's how you get these crops pollinated so that they bloom, so that there's corn, so that there's soybeans, so that there's tomatoes. So it's really important. The bees and butterflies are really important. The other toxic chemicals kill everything in its path. It kills everything. And that's not good. That's what people have been trying to lobby against. How, people are using these toxic chemicals and it affects the water, it affects everything. So that is not us. We are 100% all natural. Beekeeping is becoming really important and a lot of public awareness. There's a lot of home beekeepers now. It's estimated that there are about 125 to 150,000 beekeepers who keep bees as a hobby, primarily in their own homes and small farms. Well, this helps their community because now the bees will go pollinate other local areas, supporting their gardening and broader environmental health. And it's become more important due to the increased awareness of the importance of bees in pollination and sustainability efforts. I have a friend who started beekeeping probably almost 20 years ago. And when I started Mosquito Sheriff, he said, "Yeah, right, okay." Well, he didn't bring out, he didn't bring or use his entire hive, but he took out one little pack drawer. It's like they're like little drawers, but he lifted up one of those and he let me spray it, and it didn't affect it. The bees were just fine. He was pretty amazed actually. So we have been tested by my friend who let us spray his beehive, and it was completely safe to do. So bees are very important when you think about the environment and what the poisons do overall.